Top of the morning, goons and mutants. Happy Friday. Somebody told me it was. But it feels like a uniday. Just every day of the week when you're as old as I am feels like the same damn day. And I'm walking past a long queue of cars, staring into the vehicles, observing the bewildered expressions on all the late parents who didn't get out of the house on time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Here's a video that is not timely. And now it's irrelevant because it's old and I forgot to post it. Don't forget to hit that notification bell if you're going to like and subscribe. Bye. Some people are saying it's a sad day to be an 80 MP-1 in the old shop, but I don't think so. This is actually the last parts of my last donor chassis. This was my personal 80 MP-1. This one has the 2.01 firmware. Jason, I'm talking to you, buddy. Let's look at what you were needing, and I'll tell you what I got to help you with your buddy's project. Okay, this is not a flattering shot. Here is the output board. So you're like, well, why is this one missing? This was actually the input jack on the rear. Well, it's not that it's missing, it's just that this one has this style of input jack. Now you were saying you needed a stereo jack to finish your repair, and that's what this guy is. So I'm tempted just to send you the entire board, and you know what? You can go ahead and have this input, and I'll go ahead and pull the 2.01 chip for you so your friend can enjoy some faster channel switching. That's all it's going to do for him though. So just keep that in mind. Yeah, keep that in mind. Wow, what have I done with this? Let's see, I've already removed the battery mod. I've removed actually, that's about all I did. This one has a couple other parts removed. I just can't tell right off the bat exactly what I did. But it's gonna serve you well, my friend. So I'll probably, you know what, I'll probably just remove these jacks for you and give them all to you, because guess what? In my experience, when you go to disassemble these guys, when you go to loosen those mounting nuts up, the jacks will crumble, and then you're probably going to end up needing to replace one just incidentally. And sadly, I do not have, I don't have the retaining nuts for mounting these guys. So hopefully you do. But at least the tough part of sourcing these is going to be done for you, you know. So that's about it for this one. You guys, I have that the DSL 201 that is partially restored. I do need to lift the board, and I'm waiting for a pot to come in, so we'll go ahead and take care of all the underboard shenanigans with that one. I have a super cool and rare modern Fender amp. Well, not totally modern, but one of the newer era ones that's going to be jumping up on the bench next, and some other fun stuff too. So you guys stay tuned out there. Bye.